You can't have posters up talking about all that kids can be, unlimited potential, unlimited opportunity. You can't talk about their greatness and then dumb it down. This message is for that school in your district. So work to unleash their greatness, and the best way to do that is to unleash yours. Lean into the collective expertise of your teammates, lean into the collective genius of your staff, of your leadership, and make magic for these kids. Start with the crown, build those scaffolds. Because when you stop focusing on their backgrounds, you stop focusing on the language they speak or don't speak, when you stop focusing on what zip code they're from, what housing project they live in, what side of town they're from, when you stop focusing on those things and you focus instead on the crown, what happens is all of your energy, all of your efforts go 100% toward building scaffolds and bridges so kids can achieve mastery.